Hey there, how's your viewing experience going? Frustrated with a black screen on your Sony TV? Well, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix a Sony TV black screen and get you back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies. We understand that a black screen can be a real downer, and our goal is to help you resolve this issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. First things first, let's try the easiest fix, a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. This step allows the TV's internal circuits to completely discharge and reset any temporary glitches. After waiting, plug the TV back in and switch it on. This straightforward reset often resolves minor issues causing the black screen. Step 2. Check your connections. Next, scrutinize all your connections. Ensure that all cables from HDMI to power cords are securely connected to both the TV and corresponding devices. A loose HDMI connection can result in a black screen, so inspect each connection carefully. If necessary, remove and reconnect cables to confirm they are properly secured. Additionally, switch to another HDMI port to determine if port damage might be at fault. Step 3. Adjust your TV settings. Sometimes the TV settings might be misconfigured, causing display issues. Start by checking the input source. Use your TV remote to cycle through the available inputs to ensure it's set to the correct source. If using a cable or satellite box, switch it on and confirm it's functioning correctly. Then, navigate to the TV's menu and ensure the picture settings are configured for optimal display. Step 4. Update your TV's firmware. An outdated firmware version can lead to bugs and performance issues, including a black screen. Check for any available firmware updates by navigating to your TV settings menu. If an update is available, ensure your TV is connected to the internet and proceed to download and install it. After updating, your TV should ideally reboot with improved performance and potentially fix the black screen issue. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. This will return your TV to its original settings, erasing any apps and personalized configurations. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Be prepared to set up your TV again, but it can often resolve stubborn issues. Wrestling with how to fix a Sony TV black screen can be challenging, but these steps provide a roadmap to get you back on track. From a simple soft reset to checking connections and updating firmware, these tips cover essential troubleshooting strategies. Remember, these steps don't resolve the issue. Contact Sony support for professional assistance. Enjoy your viewing, and may your screen be vibrant and clear.